Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The NCB Financial Group has launched a $174 million bid to acquire the majority stake in Trinidad and Tobago-based Guardian Holdings. The intention was announced on Friday, just a week after NCB announced it is acquiring Bermuda-based Clarion Bank. Dashan Hendricks reports.
$63 billion in cash at the end of September, and NCB finding use for some of that money, turning to acquire a majority stake in one of the region's biggest insurers. NCB Financial Group on Friday saying it has made a takeover bid for Guardian Holdings 2 years after it purchased 30% of the Trinidad-based company. Its aim now is to increase that holding to 62%. To do that, it has offered to purchase an additional 74 million Guardian shares, offering US $2.35 for each. A successful bid will cost $174 million, or just under 22 billion Jamaican dollars. Guardian shares last traded at $16.55, which converts to US $2.45, a figure which is more than NCB is now offering. For its part, NCB says while it seeks to own 62% of Guardian, it will execute the deal as long as its ownership stake is at least 50%. The offer is scheduled to close on January 12. Guardian Holdings is one of the region's biggest insurer. In the past, it acquired Jamaican insurers such as Dial Life, Jamaica Mutual, Crown Eagle, Horizon Life, and West Indies Alliance. For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Scotiabank says the users of its digital platform has exceeded those doing in-branch transactions. It says 25% of its customers' transactions is being done online compared to 22% in-branch. The bank says online transactions are growing while in-branch transactions are falling. Now, Digicel is to get a new group CEO. The telecommunications company announced today that it has selected Alexander Griefenclaw to be the next man at the helm, with his appointment to take effect in February. Mr. Griefenclaw replaces Colm Delves, who is to step down for personal and family reasons. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.82. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.31. The pound is going for $168.91, while the euro is selling for $146.95. The JSE index closed up 550 points today, while the junior market index lost 38. The winners of the day included Access Financial, General Accident, Jamaican Teas, NCB Financial Group, Pulse Investments, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Barita Investments, Caribbean Creams, JMMB Group, Panjam, and T-Tech. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.